Welcome everyone to my quick day trade that I'm running around on a BTC. Right here sharing with you the video and presenting you on live what's happening, as well talking about a motivational perspective including the danger side. So at the end of the time it's going to be a sort of a way useful material in a beneficial way. Now the place we have entered is exactly 41,819. This is the 15-minute candlesticks. Just like I said, it's a BTC scalping trade. So 41,819 exactly right there. I'm not sure if you can see that, considering the fact that it's just a wick we have been dumping into. I like to go into the 1-minute candles and just basically scroll back and share with you exactly, right? So we got to do this. We have been wicking. There you go. We have been wicking slightly below at that 41,819 on the charts and performing the activity. So the trade is basically live right over there. It's presenting on the Bybit 41,819.96. It's a $44,000 profitable trade on the pair of BTC USDT perpetual contracts, 25x leverage with 45 Bitcoins. The 45 Bitcoin size is $1.8 million. And we have been producing the stop losses along the way with the take profits, but just taking them out at a time of recording. And considering that so far, obviously we did pay a lot of the fees, but that's it. I mean, we need to consider that trading on leverage at 25x on a such size is not for free. And at the same time, we also must consider that whenever we have profitable movements, it just pays up very well. 45 grand right there on the table. For those of you that are wondering about, this is a day trade scalping we performed with our ChatGPT AI bot trading. It helped us do this trade and it participated on the journey. Now, for those of you as well that would like to join, make sure to check out my trading report. We have option number 1, no prior fee. Only commission from the profits achieved, which are paid by you every 7 days. Option number 2, we deliver you the signals. That is on a monthly subscription where you handle the process by yourself. Option number 1 is where we handle the process by trading on API, trading permission. So you give us trading permission. We can do spot trading, futures trading, leverage derivatives, anything on the majority of the exchanges at the moment. So make sure to reach out to find out more. This is the trading report and spreadsheet. We also have the one-on-one coaching program for those of you which are serious about the business. It is $44,000 down the road. The one-on-one coaching program is basically, just like I said, preparation only for the ones that are very serious about a space, considering that they can represent a financial freedom when the bull market starts and kicks in. You need to get your weapons ready, guys. Why do I say it's only for serious people? Because the intensity and the way how it's portrayed and comprehensive is requiring you to be serious about. If you think that crypto is gambling and just joking around, it's not going to function. You're not going to have a good time in the space. And for sure, at the end of the time, liquidation or massive losses are going to jump on people doing like that. I mean, this cannot be done just out of a pure luck or simply hoping that you hit the jackpot with one of the meme tokens making from 50 bucks to the million side, which is something that happens every 1 billion situations. You need to consider that you have better chances by playing the lottery than those ones for sure. Now, what do we speak about is a part-time or a full-time trading activity on day trading, swings, positions, with all sorts of concepts, strategies, and indications. This is a coaching taking you by hand and teach you how to trade and do those things professionally. I mean, we're performing this out of passion. You're running live with me one-on-one on Zoom conversations. By the way, you can have a free call with me if you want to look around, and we're having a good time proceeding. So check out the video for a detailed explanation and have a good time. Enjoy yourself, guys. Trading can be profitable, but at the same time, it can cost you big time and big money. We've been seeing liquidations, we've been seeing losses, and in my beginning, since I started in 2024, the way I started by losing hundreds of thousands of dollars from my pocket, in a painful way, guys. I needed to pay for collecting the data. I needed to pay to actually learn how to trade by sitting 16 hours a day at that time to learn this thing. Difficult at the end of the day, but it's worth it, especially if you have a shortcut. If you learn from something or someone, that is much better. Now, that's it around the education. I'm just sort of a way trying to portray the way I could participate, and that's pretty much all, folks. Make sure to act in the crypto space at the end of the day only with resources you afford to risk. When it comes down to risks, risks can be unlimited in the space of crypto. That's the reality. So have a good time, folks. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, enjoy yourself, and think about by being motivated at the end of the day to achieve your goals and financial freedom. Well, crypto space is about to get into the bull market. If you think this is a solution for you with the education, with the skills, or you want to go to the jackpot side, there's the other version as well available out here. You can definitely apply for it. Have a good time, folks. We'll talk to you soon.